I think for small business owners, I think firstly is to be brave and be bold. It's really important that we all act. And I think there are a number of things that all businesses can do. We all need to play our part. Firstly, I think understanding the impact of your business is incredibly important. Once you know the impact, you know that then what you need to do to address that. The most important thing is to understand the laws, the regulations that you're governed by. And investigating those can often lead to alignment with government or incentives that enable you to act faster on your ambitions. Second, I would say it's really important to set goals, clear goals, goals that are achievable and that are measurable so that you know what you're chasing after. Thirdly, it's incredibly important that you engage your stakeholders. If you don't have your team with you, or your management with you, your suppliers, your partners, they need to be engaged, they need to understand, and they need to be motivated. After that, I think it's really important to look at the big impacts within your business, and often they are related to energy. Energy efficiency is a critically important thing to address as a small and medium business owner. You need to look into your lighting, maybe you need to transform to LED. Cooling is a big issue, your HVAC, how can you improve your energy efficiency of your business? On top of that, looking at your waste management, having a really robust plan for waste management. You need to reduce, reuse and recycle, and really have goals that you set to be able to achieve them. Then I guess as all businesses, you need to really actively work with sustainable sourcing. Without a strong sustainable supply chain and partners, you will not have an ecosystem or network that will enable your initiatives to be part of a greater forum of initiatives moving forward. Investing in technology is super important. I think these days things are changing fast and you need to know how can you invest and where can you invest. With all that said, you need to monitor, you need to record, you need to follow up, because what people demand of all businesses are that you're transparent. So creating transparency builds trust. Creating trust in your business builds your brand. Finally, engaging your community that you work in. And lastly, I would say just don't give up. It's a long journey, keep going, and it's a forever renewing target that you will keep establishing.